Hello everyone, so this is NE New Everything. Today we are going to install the new Pixel Experience Plus edition. So I have heard a lot of good things about this ROM, so today we are going to install that and show you how to install that. We are going to do a clean install. You need to back up your data to a computer or a SD card. So I am currently on the Havoc OS, new Havoc OS 3.3. I already made a video on this, how to install and boot into this ROM. So let me show you. So you can see this is Havoc OS 3.3. So you can check that video if you want to install this ROM. This ROM is pretty good, so you can try it out. I have already used this ROM. Now I want to use the Pixel Experience. Before going to TWRP for installing this ROM, let me show you the files you gonna need for this ROM. So I have put my files in the SD card as we are going to format our internal storage. So for this ROM you need two files. One is Pixel Experience ROM files and another is Disable Force Encryption. So if you are watching my other videos, you know already that I flash Disable Force Encryption with every ROM. So this is because you do not want to encrypt. If you do not want to encrypt your phone, you flash this. I do not want my phone to be encrypted, so I flash this with every ROM. Okay. So only two files needed, nothing else. So the procedure is, first you need to remove all the lock from your device. Like every other ROM, you go to security, you remove your PIN or any other password that you have. So I am removing my PIN, also the swipe pattern or anything you have to remove this one. Okay. The next thing is, if you are coming from any MIUI based ROM or MIUI ROM, you need to sign out from your MIUI account. Okay, so you will see your MIUI account option here. So you have to sign out from that before you go to TWRP and install the ROM. Okay, so I have already taken the backup. I have removed the security measures. So right now we are going to turn off our device and go to TWRP. So now we are going to turn off our device and go to TWRP. Okay, so we are in TWRP. So the first step you all know is to go to wipe, advanced wipe. We are going to wipe Delvic, cache, system and data. Okay, we are going to swipe to wipe. If you have seen my other video, I like to do this step twice. So Delvic, cache, system, data. Okay, so our wiping is done. Now we are going to first install the ROM. We are going to select our storage, which is micro SD card. Then we are going to go to our ROM folder. Then we are going to select on our ROM files and swipe to flash. So our ROM is flashed. Now we are going to go back. Now we are going to go back and flash our Disable Force Encryption file. That's flash. Now we have to do another thing. So as I told you, we have to wipe our internal storage, but for this Pixel Experience ROM, we have to do that at the end. So right now we are going to click on the wipe. Now we are going to do the formatting data. Yes. So guys, make sure you have backed up your files. Okay, so our formatting data is done. Now we are going to reboot our system. Let's see it. So we are in the setup menu. Our installation has been successfully done. So let me just do the setup and get back. So our setup is done. We are in the home screen for the Pixel Experience Plus edition. So you can see, let me just show you the setting. Okay, so setting just stop. So about phone, Poco F1, model and hardware Poco F1, Android version 10, kernel version, Pixel Experience, Beryllium. Okay, build number, you can see the build number, pixel experience plus beryllium. Okay, so our, let me check, I think our auto brightness is turned on. We just turned on our brightness more. So this is how you install the pixel experience plus. We already have a camera installed. Okay, I think this is the 6.2 version. Excellent, this is the best, kind of a best version in the ROM. So if you want, I am going to do a review for this ROM. If you want the review, let me know. I have heard many good things about this ROM. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. I'll do more installation and review videos very soon. So thank you guys for watching. Peace.